Hi everybody, it's me, Zymas, also known as Gem. Okay, this is going to be my first video for my channel. This video is, well, I keep on saying that, well, this is my first haul that I got from my very good friend, Sarah. I'm sure everybody knows her. She's a makeup guru from Singapore. Her YouTube name is IC Abstract. She's so sweet. Okay, cover my address. So, Singapore Post. Anyway. Okay, here are the stuff that she got me. Mostly Japanese cosmetics. She got me a little note. Okay, let's get started. First product is Sun-Up Pore Putty. It's a makeup base. And the back of it. And then she got me 2 Majorca eyeshadow quads. Okay, the first one is has brown color. The number is BR742. I think so. My camera will pick up the number. It's not even focusing. And the second one is PK740. This is my favorite color because it has pink. Pink. It's my favorite color. And then she got me Can Make eyeshadow quad. Love it. Love the color. And she got me Can Make blush. This is number PW19. This one is number 1. Can Make color stripe palette. It said palette, but it's quad. It's number 3. There's the orange, the peach, brown, and bronze, and silver. It's very shimmery. She also got me ZA Blush Vibrant. So pretty. This one is number, let's see, B4.